In the middle of the woods, on the countryside, in a rural barangay of BAYAWAN City, lies a magnificent, unstained water park. Introducing the Barangay Narra Water Park. Just beside the Barangay Narra City Hall. Wash your hands, not just for our safety, but also for everyone. A place blessed with water. Enjoy and be at peace in this pristine and squeaky clean beauty. Pay for the maintenance of the place. 60 pesos for adults, 30 pesos for kids, and a 20% discount for PWD and senior citizens. A fee of 300 pesos for cottage. A promise of our very own city mayor to the people of Barangay Narra, managed by the Women's Association. Oh, look at that, look at that. Look at that, it's beautiful. We are going to find a place to sit. Y'all know because it's too hot here. Let's go. Wait for me. I'm gonna swim here. Just kidding, I don't know how to swim. I'm so excited. I don't like swimming because I can't even swim, but I like, the kiddie pools. Yeah, it's much better. Yeah, you're right over here. We are going to sit here. Ta-da! They are using a machine to clean the pool. I don't want to do the slide! Look at it, it's massive. I hate slides. I don't love slides, like water slides. No, thank you. It's really a big area. It's clean, it's organized, and it's maintained. I will teach you how to swim. That's how it works. It's beautiful. I love it so much. We're going to infinity pool. Looks like an infinity pool. Woo! Video came for rent. CR. And the view from the top. Lastly, the shower. This is Ninita, the Englishera ng Bisaya, saying, don't forget to take a break, breath, let us be responsible.